Hello again. Welcome to my podcast, episode 7 of how to become a full stack developer. Now, we're gonna talk about how we should create tasks and subtasks. So, for example, because we just definitely need to have a task, then I can show you how to create some subtasks based on that. So, for example, we have a task, a list of tasks here that we're gonna talk about in this series of videos. So, let's say how we're gonna sort them and how we're gonna create some subtasks based on them. So, this is how. This is the solution. So, first of all, we need to write them down with the full details, full URLs, and whatever we have. For example, here for the first episode, I write down the video link, short link here. I also mentioned the number and also mentioned the title of the things that I was talking about. And for the keyword skill, I did the same. And for the Git, all the codes here, I did the same. And the thing is, for example, for the rest of the things we're gonna do, I'm gonna create some task and subtask. So the point is, when you are developing a code, you should think about, for example, for an easy application calculator, you should write down for yourself that, okay, I should render plus, I should render UI, I should render minus, I should render multiply. A lot of things it will come to your mind. You should prioritize them, give them some numbers, share the more result, and when you finish that, add a plus button here. So first, I see that we already created application, created next application. Then we add eslint, prettier, and huskey, and then we need to have a router, and then we should figure out the paths, the structure of paths based on tsconfig, and then a little bit going forward with the package json, and then adding some unit test structures, and also adding a storybook, and creating a uikit. And so, for example, let's consider we have these tasks. So first, I will write them with some points that this is gonna be the way that I need to do this project. Second, I should create some sort task for myself. 1.1 is gonna be install node, install pnpm, and then for this one, ask, for example, chatgbt what is the next step to add eslint to nextjs. And for example, sync prettier and eslint, and for the router we should go with, sorry, two. For the router we should go with 2.5. And again, for the node, if I need to, for example, install install nvm, that is node version manager, to switch between different version of nodes, or I should I don't know, find the proper version, match to React 19, and so on. So whenever I created some subtasks like this, when I did it, I added plus. When I do it, I added a plus. When this task, I cannot do that. I'm waiting for doing that. I will write down like a slash or something, some points for myself, or I don't need to do that at all, or for now, or I should postpone it to later. And something, I can have different type of signatures for myself. if I show you all of my files, you will see tons of noting like this. I will not miss any useful information when I'm creating and defining the tasks like this. And always when I go and come back to my PC, I just notice that, okay, I need to focus on this one. For example, I finished this one. Okay, I should focus on this one, and immediately you will find out that was the next step, and you shouldn't think again and again about something that you already know. And also, for example, you are in a session, your manager is telling you we need also that one. So let's say after I run this, I should add another step, new task, and it's gonna be blah blah blah, something like this. Definitely, you can easily prioritize and add it here. And it's not a replacement for Jira. Jira is gonna document connection to everyone and so on. This should be inside your notes. I hope that it was useful for you and you enjoyed it.